Hello everyone. From today I will run a video series that will based on WooCommerce. So I will upload videos on that playlist about WooCommerce features, other features, and WooCommerce fixing and all the stuff as well. So as a first video, let me show you. Let me tell you what is the WooCommerce is. WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress, which is help us to create online shop. Like on online shop, you can buy the products and you can do other stuff for like the online shop is. So this is the plugin I'm showing you that called WooCommerce, and it is uh, authorized by Automatic. So let's go to the backend, and from the plugins go to add new. From there just search about Woo, then your plugins will comes up. As you can see, it has been already installed, that's why it's showing me active. And if it is not installed, as you can see, those other plugins is not installed, so that's why it's calling showing the button called install now, and after install it will show the active. So as you can see, it is showing WooCommerce active. So let me active it. So when this WooCommerce is activated, then it will redirect me to the setup widget of WooCommerce. So from that we can see this is the address line and this is the address lines 2. So if you have a longer address, then you can divide it into 2 from this box and this box. So let me enter some demo content here. You will ask your shop address from your client. So just for the demo content, I'm entering the address like Dhaka and Bangladesh. Then on that field you have to enter your country name, like I'm entering Bangladesh, and from there you will see all the district of the Bangladesh, and click on the Dhaka, and you have to enter your city and enter your postcode. So if there is another button, as you see, called I am setting up a store for a client. So if you are setting this store for a client, you can tick mark on it, and if you don't, then just leave it and click on continue. And that purpose is showing up for the reason is the WooCommerce owner, they wanted to track our shop, and they wanted to track all the features of WooCommerce for so that if they can build WooCommerce better, and they can add or they can improve some features as well, and they can fix some problems to track the plugins into our website. So if you want to send some non-sensitive data to them, then you can just simply click on yes count min, and if you are not thinking that you are not sending data to them, then just click on no thanks. And once you clicked on no thanks or yes mean, whatever you clicked, then this page will comes up. So it is showing you how many and which category your shop will be. So you can see the fashion, health and beauty, electronics, and many more categories are showing there. And if you are not finding your categories, then you don't need to worry about it. You can just go with other option, then enter your desired categories. So currently I'm just selecting the electronics, and if you want to click multiple categories from there, you can also do that, like I'm doing that now. So whatever you want or whatever category you want to work with it, you can choose from here. So let's go to the continue. Then the WooCommerce features are showing here. So currently physical products and downloads are free to build with this WooCommerce, and if you are interested to go with subscription plan, like the Netflix is working as Netflix things are working as a subscription, and you can and also the membership booking. So if you wanna go with those features, then you have to pay to WooCommerce, and we will see in future how you can do it without WooCommerce feature. We will use some other plugins for that. So currently we will use physical products and downloads products. So physically, what is the physical products? What physical products is, like if you have some products like t-shirt, shoes, and some other stuff, so the things you can ship to other places at those are the physical products. And the downloadable products is something like if you have a PDF version of books, if you want to sell it to online, then you don't need to ship it to the one place to another place. You can just send the user email, and other you can sell images, and you can sell music. So those things are downloadable products. So if you have plans to sell downloadable products and the physical products together, then you will select together those two options. And if you don't have plan, then you can select whichever you have planned based on these two listed types. Then click on the continue. I'm selecting 2, and they are asking for how many products do you have planned to display. So currently I don't have any product right now, but I have a plan to display more than 1000 product. And currently, am I selling some product elsewhere or not? So if you expand this, and you will see there are some uh, options are going. So if you are not selling anywhere else this website, then you will click on no. And if you are selling on another platform like eBay or Amazon or somewhere else, then you can click on yes on another platform. Then they will ask for some questions about the selling on other platform, and you simply answer them question like what is your current annual revenue. You can select it from here. And also which platform you are working, then you can select it from here as well. So now I am not selling any products on elsewhere or anywhere, just I'm clicking on no. And those features for the marketing purposes, so I don't want to start marketing now, then that's why I'm just switched off all the features. Then click on the continue. As you see, they are suggesting some of themes to working with the WooCommerce, but I will continue with this default one, and I will change it later. I will change it with Astra or Ocean WB, because in future I will work with the Elementor page builder. So now I'm going with the active one, and from there they are recommending to use their Jetpack options. So Jetpack is owned by WordPress. So if you use Jetpack, then you will get automated text rate, and your site will be improved, and the security will be handled by them. So I personally don't use this Jetpack, because the Jetpack is doing some problem with cache. So that's why I'm just leaving in. And if you are interested to go with Jetpack, you can simply click on yes please, and then create account with the Jetpack and connect it with your WordPress. So as I'm not interested to go with it, then I just click on no thanks. I will speed up. I will do some security myself. So once these things are done, then your setup is done for WooCommerce. So if you go to the settings from WooCommerce, if you go to the settings, then you will see the addresses you entered are showing here. And if you active your WooCommerce, and you will if you're not able to see the setup widget, which I have been set up right now, you don't need to be worried about it. From WooCommerce, and under the settings of WooCommerce, you will see all the settings is there. And also on that section you will get some more settings, more specification, more deeply settings from here. Okay, so when I have installed and set up the WooCommerce, then if you go to the pages, from all pages you will see some pages has been created by default with the WooCommerce. As you can see, it is cart, checkout, my account, and the shop page. So those things are comes up with the WooCommerce by default. Okay, so now if I go scroll down, and you can see there is an option for selling location. So they are asking for which countries you wanna sell your products. So currently the option is set by default, that is sell to all countries. So it is meaning that you are selling your products to the all over the world, all over the countries. So you can change the settings by yours. your choice, you can see there is a second option, sell to all countries except for. So currently if you select this settings, you can sell all over the countries you want, but if you are thinking that I will sell the all I will sell the products all over the world, but I don't want to sell it to the Afghanistan. Okay, so this is what is this settings for. Then if you have something like you don't want to sell it to the all over the countries, but you have some specifications or you have some specific countries or targeted countries to sell your products, then you can enter something like that. Like from here, if I select Australia, or if I select something like Bulgaria, then what is this settings meaning for? Currently you are selling your products into Australia and Bulgaria only. So this is what is settings. And now if I go to the shipping location, as you can see, ship to all countries you sell to. So currently this setup is shipping your products the countries you are selling to, and you have the same options like that's that before. You have the ship to all countries, ship to specific countries. And if you are planning to run your website just only for downloadable products, then you don't need to shipping and shipping calculation, so you can disable it simply. So I hope you understand that as well. The customer location will be shop based shop based address, and if you are thinking to calculate the tax, then you have to enable these options. And if you are thinking to enable the coupons, like what is the coupon is? Coupon is something like if you wanna do some offer to your customer, like if they buy a product they will get 10% discount. So for the 10% discount you have to generate a code. So when the customer is apply the code into a cart or checkout page, they will get a discount on that product. So this is what the settings is. And on that bottom you see there calculate coupon discount. So this settings is like if you have a product that is $100, so for the first time when you apply the coupon code, like you have a coupon code that is 10% discount. So when someone apply the coupon code on that product, they will get 10% discount, and from $100 it will be $90. So if you this is the normal thing, and if you enable this checkbox, then your coupon code, when you get this 10% discount, and now your product's price is $90, then if you enable this checkbox, then when you apply the code again, then this code will be applied for the discounted price before. So it will be applied now into $90. Okay, so this is the settings. And from there you can change your currency, you can change your currency position, and you can also change your thousand operator, decimal operator, and number of decimal, how many decimal will show. So those things you can do settings from here. Let me say changes. And from the products tab, if you go to the products tab, you will notice if I go to the blog, and if I click on the visit store, then you can see this shop page is comes up by default. So why it is comes up by default, as you can see from WooCommerce settings and the product tab, the shop page I have set up as a shop page. So these pages are on that backend also. You can see cart, checkout. So if you have another page and you wanna set this page as a shop page, like all the products will be shown there, then you can simply check the shop page over there. And you can also change your weight unit, you can change your dimension unit from there. And also if you wanted to enable your reviews, then you can just click on that, and it will be enabled to add customer reviews about the products. Okay, so from now I wanted to upload a products. So go to products, then all products. So there are basically 2 or 3 or 4 types of products. Like if I as you can see from products to all products, create products. So if I create my first product, so I have to enter the product name. So like if I enter Bangladesh cricket jersey. So if I enter this is the title of the product, and there I can able to you can see this is the product main description tab. So currently I don't have any content, so let me grab some content from lorem ipsum, like those things I'm just copying, and if I add those text over there and I'm pasting it more times. So this is the product description about, you know, the product, how this product made, and who is the materials, all the things are telling here. And if you scroll a bit, you will see there is on the very right side there is a product category. So currently I am entering in product category like the jersey. Okay, so I'm just entering that jersey. Okay, so add a new category. So this category will be shown there. As you can see, this category is showing, and also you can add some tag over there. So tag is basically helpful for the SEO, and these tags, if you add tags here, then you can also pull your products based on your tag as well. Like I am entering some tags based on this product: cricket, Bangladesh jersey, something like I'm just editing. And on the bottom you see there is option for product image, so you can set your product image as well. So let me grab some images. BD jersey. So if I search BD jersey just for this one, if I download this product, like save images and desktop, and also let me download this green one as well, so we can show you how the variable product is working. So okay, so features product is basically the main feature for the products. So let me upload those images over there. So like this green one, if I set the product image, then you can see this product image is showing here. Okay, then on the left side you will see there are some some of the tabs are showing here. Like I can set the general pricing. So if I add pricing 990, then if you are seeing like this, you are not able to see those things, then you don't need to worry. You just comes up here and click on that white bar, then you can expand all the settings over there. Okay, so whatever I did, if I go and click on publish, let me change my permalink first. I just forget to change it. From settings, permalink, let me change it to the shop post name. Okay, so reload it. As you can see, it is now meaningful, the URL is. So as you can see, this jersey product has been created, and I have set it a regular price, that is 990. And if you are planning to give something like this, your sale price is like 1012. Okay, sorry, your sale price must be less than your regular price. Okay, so your regular price is 990, then you are selling your product like 790. So you can also schedule the product price as well. So like you have a plan from 12th of June to 25 June, this sale price will be available. After that days are end, then it will be reverted to the regular price. So if I update it, then let me show you how it looks. So I have updated, and let me reload. So it has no changes because I have scheduled the price. So it will be taken place the changes from 12. So currently I will just delete the schedule, and let me reload. I just show you how the schedule is working, and just I have cancelled the schedule and waiting for the reload. Okay, tab has been reloaded. Then if I go for reloaded, then as you can see 990 has been closed, and the new price is 790. So this is how we can give some discounts from the products. Okay, and you can see the categories, the tags are also showing there. Okay, so from there, if I you will notice some of the other online shop, you will see some, so they are giving some 2 or 3 lines text about the product. So if you wanna also add those things as well, so then you have to scroll it down, then you will see the product short description, and if you enter, like I'm entering those text as a short description, and if I go to update it, then it will show over there like this. Okay, and now if I go for some other settings as well, so let me go to the inventory. So SKU code is for the unique code for a product. So if you have some unique code, then you can understand it better as a owner. So you can add some code from there, like BD jersey green or something like that. You can add your SKU, and if you want to manage your stock, then you add some quantity, like you have 20 pieces to 20 piece of jersey, then you just enter the stock quantity, and you can see the low stock threshold, like when your 18 piece of jerseys are has been sold out, then it has only 2 piece of your jersey, then the administrator will receive a notification that to refill the stock. Okay, so this is the things about the threshold. And let me go to the shipping zone as well. And you know, the shippings are calculated based on the product weight, based on the product dimensions. So you have to enter your product dimensions, like how length, how weight, and how height is. And also you can add weight based on your product, and the links products we will discuss about it later. And for the attributes, so those the things are set up for the simple product. And if I go to and also there is another option for product gallery. So product gallery means there will be more photos based on this product image, and it will be something like image gallery. There will be multiple image based on the product. So if you want to also add that, for the testing purpose, I'm just editing this one. So if I add that one and click on update, so currently you see there is no gallery, just only one photo. So if I reload the tab, you will see there is another photo. So this is how the product gallery is. Okay, so and I would like to recommend you, if you have the all of the list of your product categories, then go to the products for the first time before you made any product. If you have the all listed of categories, then go to the categories and you add the categories from here, like you have a shoe, enter, and if you have t-shirt, so those are the category. If you have all the categories list, then you just add this category, so you don't need to create categories when you create the product, so it will be helpful. And if you have like I wanna make shoe and t-shirt for the men, and shoe and t-shirt will be a child for the man category, so therefore that you have to create a man category, then just add a new category. And from there, like if you wanna make t-shirt as a child of this man category, then click on t-shirt, edit, and go to the parent category and make the man and update it. Once you update it, go to the categories, you will see this man's is little bit to the right side under the man. So now it's showing that t-shirt is a child category of men. So if you have the category list, I'm telling you again, then try to uh, update the category list first, then go on the other stuff as well. Okay, so at the same thing you can do as a text. You can add the text. As you can see, I have added the text before, like Bangladeshi jersey and cricket. Okay, so as I show you before, so if I click on the visit store, now your visit store, if I go, you will see this product on the shop on the shop page as well. So if I go to WooCommerce, then the settings, I can change the shop page as well. So if I go to the product, then you can see the before that I'm just showing you one another thing, that is you can see redirect to the cart page after successful addition. If you click on that and do the save changes, then what it will done, so when someone add a new product, add to cart when someone, then it will be redirected to the cart page. So every time when a user click on add to cart, it will be automatically redirected to the cart page, which is I think not good, because if you have a customer and if he has planned to buy more products, then other times when he click on that product to add to cart, then it will redirect him to the cart page, so which is most irritating thing. I think that thing. Okay, so now if I go to the backend and I just remove that settings and click on save changes. Okay, so now from there you can see there is the option for inventory, so click on that. As I showed you before, the threshold was 2 when I created a product and manage the stock. So you can also change, like from the products when I add, you can also change 2 to 5 or 7 or 10, whatever you want. But from the it is by default is set for 2. When your product quantity is 2, then website administrator will get notification to refill the stock. But if you have a plan to make it 5, then all the products when you created, then every time you have to enter that 2 place of 2, you have to enter 5. So if you don't want to do this for every time, then you can just change it from here, you make it 5, then click on the save changes. And if I go to, like, this is the product, go to that product and edit product, then go to the inventory. As you can see, it was 2 before, now it's 5. So this is how we can change it from the code settings as well. And for the if I go to the cart, from cart, if I click to proceed to checkout, you will see there is a message that sorry, how it goes, please fill your details to see the payment method. So if I add some information about me, then you see there is an option for, sorry, it seems there is no method available, no payment method is available. So for that, if you have to go to the WooCommerce, then go to the payments, and from there you can just add. Currently we don't have anything, just the cash on delivery method we can set up. And now if you go to the checkout and click to refresh, then you can see this is showing, so pay with the cash upon delivery. So when your product is on your doorstep, then you can pay to the delivery boy and you can receive your product. So this is how working with the cash on delivery. Okay, so back to the products, then all products, and we are going to create a variable product. So what is a variable product? Is variable product is something like if you wanna buy a t-shirt, the t-shirt has different sizes, t-shirt has different colors as well. So you wanna give some options to user, they can choose by themselves to selecting their sizes and selecting their colors as well. So for that you have to go to the products and click on add new, and just click some just add product name. So I'm editing BD jersey, and I am editing the text, and also let me give some short description as well. Okay, so as I show you before, let me add that as a product category. So, and let me add the product tag and the product image. Suppose I have added that image, so by default this product will show this image. And product gallery, I also used those things. So at a times you can select only one. So for that, for at a time selecting more products, you have to hold your keyboard control, then click on another product, another image, then it will be selected multiple product, multiple image, then add to gallery, and you can see this is here. Okay, so basic settings are done. From here, if you have plan to make it variable product, like you wanna give some options to the user, they can use their colors, they can use their they can choose their sizes as well, then you have to click on that simple product. From there you have to click on variable product, and then you have to go to just attribute, and you need to create two attributes. Just click on attribute, add. So custom attribute you need to click, then you have to add your attribute name. So attribute name is supposed to say size, and you have enter some values on size, like give some spaces, and you have to enter a spike. So spike are on the above button of enter, so you have to hold the shift and enter the top button of enter, then you will see this spike will be there. Then you have to add some L, XL, so like this. I have added 3. Make sure you have selected this used for variation, then click on the save attribute, and supposed to say you have another attribute called like color, then you add some color like red, add spike and red, and add green, and also make sure to select this used for variation and save attribute. Okay, so these two attributes are there. Then go to the variations. From variation you will see, just click on that drop down, you see there is an option for a create variation from all attributes, and click on go. There will be a notice that they can run attributes, they can mix up the attributes at once, maximum 50. So click on OK. Then after a while you will see they have giving a success message, they have added 6 variation. Then click on OK. Okay, from there you can see based on the sizes and colors they have mixed up, that is, and for M that has 2, for M size that has 2 color, for L size that has 2 color, for XL also it has 2 color as well. So for M, if I expand it, then I can add some SKU. So I have already discussed what this SKU is. Then I can add some regular price like 580, and also I can add weight, I can add length, and that's it. So, and if I have a plan, if someone click on red, then they will see the red jersey. Okay, set as variation image, and supposed to say this variation has been done. And if I go to the green one, and I have plan, so when someone select the green variation, they will see the green jersey, and I'm entering like 600. If someone buy to this product, they will pay to 600, like 20 more. It was 580 and it is 600. Okay, so these things are so on. Same things for the others variation you will do by yourself when you are doing practice. So let me save changes, and when it's saved you can just publish it and click on view product. As you can see, the featured gallery is showing that by default red color is showing, and on the right side you will see there is option for size, there is option for color. So when I select the red one, you can see this red is showing here. If I select the green, you can see the green product is showing here. Okay, so this is how the variable products need to set up, and this is and also I have shown you how you can create the simple products as well. And let me change the design of the page. So currently it is showing based on the theme design, so let me change the theme. So for have to change the theme, you have to go to the themes, appearance themes, then you can see there is a theme install that calls Astra. So because in future I have a plan to use Elementor, so that's why I'm just install the Astra one. And after install the Astron, if you reload the page, you will see some designs will be changed. As you can see, some design has been changed. This options design is changed. And if you wanna make changes those design, so you have to use a plugin that is so nice plugin. So plugin name is variations process. So let me install that one, variations. You can see I just search for variation. The first one, the owner is Najir Ahamed. So you have to that was has been installed by default on my website. So I'm just going for activate. After activating this product, this plugin, you don't need to do any settings or anything. Just reload the page, you will see design has been changed. So from the drop down, it is comes up like this. So like if I click on that, and you can we can add it card, and like if I add to the cart, then we can, as you can see, we can go to the view cart and we can go for the checkout as well. Okay, so today I'm just showing you how you can set up the WooCommerce, how you can upload a product, and like you can upload simple product, you can upload a variable product as well, and some other settings I have talked with you. And in future I will try to go depth for this WooCommerce settings as well, like there is tax, shipping, accounts and privacy, emails, integration and advanced as well. So for today, that's it. Hopefully we will meet again about more other features as well. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.